Wolves will take the throw. Oh, that looked like hands, and the referee's given a penalty. Now, who will take it? Keith Carl is suspended. Muscat's coming up. I think he's decided who's taking it. What a chance for Wolves. 5 minutes gone. Yet another penalty. Oh, beautifully taken. Muscat put it away like he's been taking them all his life. Kevin Muscat. This Ward, such a handful. Oh, that's a dodgy challenge by Evelyn. It's going to be a penalty. And Barnsley, great chance to equalise. Ward, he won it. He puts it away. 1-1.